everyone. Today I'm on my way to Sichon from Khanom Beach, and it is a very scenic area, I must say. I've always somehow missed it, but this morning, being overcast, I thought it's a good time, and I have come across some amazing scenery. Just take a look at this. So let's keep going, see what else I come across this amazingly beautiful road. I have discovered quite a number of beautiful little secluded beaches where tourists never go, really. There are all sorts of tiny little side roads leading to some of these beaches, mostly used by fishermen. But what a beauty it is. I'm enjoying this ride, no doubt about that. Winding roads up and down, absolutely amazing scenery. Wish I had taken this route a lot longer before now. Well, just when I thought I had seen it all in Thailand, it just keeps on surprising me. This is one of the beaches along the way between Khanom and Sichon, and it's basically deserted, and it seems even nicer than Khanom Beach to me. So let's continue. Quite amazing that after coming to this area for over 15 years, I've always just stayed in Khanom and never ventured down a bit south. And hi there! And I missed all this beautiful scenery. Not that Khanom is not beautiful itself, it is, but there is more. There is more. Very friendly people, huh? Well, I've been surprised by this deserted but pretty attractive beach area, and I don't know if there's gonna be any more coastal road or any more beaches till I reach the town of Sichon, but let's find out. Well, I'm almost in the town of Sichon proper, by the beach, and there's a naval destroyer Vitayakom, a huge statue of someone, and a local football match. Seems to be pretty popular with the locals. Most of the people here are Muslim. They are very peace-loving people. We are at the far end of the Sichon beach. This is approaching the town of Sichon, and the white sand beaches end over here. So there is one spot on the beach I haven't checked out yet. Let's go there. Welcome to the city of Sichon. Should I say town? This is a small fishing village, or maybe a small town with largely Muslim population, very tranquil, very easygoing, and full of friendly locals. There isn't a whole lot to do here for a foreigner, but it's still worth taking a look just for the interest of it. So let's check it out. We are near a pier, so I want to go and see how life is around the pier. There are usually some shops and markets, and I am ready for the morning coffee. I had ridden here straight from taking a swim in Khanom, and because the weather is cloudy, this was the perfect time to go and check out the coastal area. I just like the small towns of Thailand, and especially the coastal ones. Why? I guess because it reminds me of the Thailand of old, and unlike Bangkok or Chiang Mai, it's shall we say, less developed, but that they've got all the conveniences, but it reminds me of how Thailand used to be, and I just can't help it. I'm looking out for such places, and I feel the most comfortable in them as well. Well, after riding around and walking around town, I've come across this little restaurant with traditional coffee, local coffee, because I could not find any espresso type coffee. So I'm going to have some coffee here and maybe something to eat. So guys, they actually didn't have any coffee for some reason. So I ended up with some kind of fish curry, which I thought was chicken, and a glass of water. Well, can't always get what you want, but you do get what you need. So I'll call it a day from Sichon. Take care. Guys, I don't normally search out 7-Eleven, but because I was not able to find any kind of coffee joint that is actually open or serves coffee, I have resorted to good old 7-Eleven coffee. I just needed a coffee for the road back to Khanom. Beautiful scenic road, so I think I call it a day. It's been a pleasant little town, but for some reason this morning all the restaurants seem to be closed, and most of them serve the traditional Thai Muslim coffee, but today I couldn't find any, so I'll stick with 7-Eleven for once. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.